All of us are looking to redefine performance in our lives. And there are three questions that help us get there. Who are you? Really understanding deeply who's at the core of the person you are. Many of us, it takes a long time for us to look in the mirror and really figure out who we are. The second one is, who do you want to be? Taking the time to really define who we want to be is a big question. It's not something to be taken lightly. And thirdly, where do you want to be 5-10 years from now? In strategy, at least in the classical literature, they talk about three things that are absolutely essential to strategy. Know thyself, know thy enemy, and know the environment. And it all starts with know thyself. Who are you? Who do you want to be? And where do you want to be 5-10 years from now?